Shri Guru Charanam Padumam Kevala Bhakati Sadamam Bandamoye Savadhana Mate Jaharam Prasade Bhai Bhavato Viyajam Krishna Prapti Hoye Jaham Hoite Guru Mukha Padma Vakyam Chittatakoriya Aikyam Aranang Koriho Manim Asha Shri Guru Charane Rati Aise Uttamangati Jai Prasade Pure Sarva Asha Chakshudan Dilo Jai Janme Janme Prabhu Singh Divya Gyan Hriday Prakashito Prema Bhakti Jaha Hoite Avidya Vinasha Jate Ved Gaya Har Charito Shri Guru Karuna Sindhu Adhama Janar Bandhu Loknath Lokera Jivana Ha Prabhu Koro Daya Deha More Pada Chaya Ebijash Kushutri Bhuvana Srila Prabhupada Patita Pavana Gurudev Hoyilo Sharana Jaya Prabhupadam Jaya Prabhupadam Jaya Prabhupadam Srila Prabhupada Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Shri Gurubhyo Namah Vanchakalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhyascha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. All the Vaishnavas are like desire fulfilling trees and they're dear to Govinda. I'm bowing down to all the Vaishnavas, taking the dust from their lotus feet, smearing on their head and dancing in joy. Vaishnavera padadhuli, tahe mora snana keli, torpan mora Vaishnavera nama, dhana mora nityanandam, pati mora gaura chandra, prana mora yugala kishora. You know the misery, the trick of Maya is misery is thinking what I don't have, whether it is materially or spiritually. That is the source of misery when it is about what I don't have or what I have or I don't have. That is the source of misery. Because when I see what I have, naturally the next thought would be sooner or later is what I don't have. Why? The focus is when the focus is like that on I, that's not bhakti. That's why there will be misery. That's one reason for misery. And the second reason is when somebody sees that somebody else has it, they don't have what they're looking for, but somebody else has it. If that becomes a reason for misery, then it is to be understood that it is intolerance to other person. That's the second reason for misery. Okay, and this person doesn't have it. That's one reason for misery. But other person has it. Second reason for misery. It's okay if others have it. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay for them to have. Don't have to be intolerant. Happy for them. Wonderful. This is not being happy that others have it. But the mind tricks so much that this pains very beautifully. It can say whatever it has to say. But that's the second reason for misery. Others have it. I don't have it. Whatever that is, material or spiritual, that's intolerance to others. When These two reasons of misery, when they are eliminated by Krishna, yeah, bhakti is about Bhagavan and Bhagavans. That's it. When our direction is shifted to Bhagavan, then the bhakti begins. Oh, bhakti is about Bhagavan, not about what I have or I don't have, what others have or others don't have. That's not bhakti. Because bhakti doesn't give misery. When there is misery, it is because of the mind. And what is the mind doing here? What I don't have, first misery. What others have, second misery. This is ignorance. This is the illusion of ignorance causing misery. So when there is misery like that, we should understand that's not bhakti, that is mind, maya. These are the two reasons of misery. But bhakti is about Bhagavan, Gaurachandra, Bhagavan and Bhagavans, and loving service to Bhagavan. That is the only way to come out of the misery. Not with any tricks or formulas or this and that. No band-aids will work here. To get out of this specific misery of envy, no band-aids will work. Just holding on to the lotus feet of Gaurachandra and begging to be in the loving service. Only that can heal us from that disease. So, Prandaya Tulsi Devyaya Priyaya Kesavasya Cham Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavate Namo Namaha. And this grows of Vrindavanam, land of divine love. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namaha. Radha Krishna Seva Pao Ye Abhilashi. तुम्हारा शरणालय तारा वांछ पूर्ण होई कृपा करी कोरो तारे वृंदावन वासी मोरये अभिलाष विलास कुंज दियो वास नयने हरि बो साधम युगल रूपरासी ऐ निवेदन धारो सखीरनुगत कोरो सेवाधिकारो दियो कोरो नीच दासी दीना कृष्ण दासे होय ये न मोरा होय श्री राधा गोविंद प्रेम सदा निवासी यानि कानि च पापानि ब्रह्म हत्यादिकानि च तानि तानि प्रणश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिण पदे पदे